So, Polaris Sportsman 550 2009. It was I think it never was full problems, but I fucking still put new pump anyway. And after that I had no spark. And what I figured out here is broken cable. Focus, you bitch. Broken cable, and that's why maybe I have no spark. I need to fix this. Okay. So it works, but just that fuel gauge is annoying. It's not full, but whatever is happened here, but it works. Fuel pump works. Maybe I never had a problem with the fuel pump, but what I had problem with the gauge like this, so that's why I replaced all pump. And after that, I had no spark. That's what always was my problem. Maybe I never saw cables is broken, but now it's strange how it's shaking. But I need to drive this in the forest someday and make a good test. And now again, you see? This shows nothing like. So I don't know what the fuck is wrong with that fuel gauge. Whatever, it's annoying. Everything is done. Starts and driving perfect. Now what I'm doing, I'm installing new lamps. So ignition on, lights on, and it looks cool. Looks very cool. I have in the future one idea on the front light. Do you remember my previous videos? I have big one. I want to install that big one here, but for the moment I will do this again. I will install here. So, and after I want to take off rear plastics and maybe take off the exhaust and see if I can weld my muffler. And quad is very nice. Very nice quad. So headlights is done, front is done. Now backside, like I told you, I have black taillights. Red original one, and this is Chinese one, so it's better. But the problem is with this one, the fuckers, they cut the cables and I don't have any connection. The same as on the other side. I think I know I have here connection, but anyway, we'll see how it will work. Okay. It's okay. So this is what I'm doing is wiring, because the wire, like I told you, it's cut it. So what I do, I wire separate. I keep just like that, and that's it. And I have this set, so that's helping me a lot of. And that's it. We'll see how it's now. I just solder everything, and that's it. This is how it looks. Nice. And I need to order the red light on this side, and then I need to do another side someday. But today is getting cold and dark, and it looks cool though. It looks cool. That's it for the moment. And then someday I bought from America antenna, so I need to install that thing too. And that's it. Jeff will be done with this quad.